Right now, your website probably looks like everything is just glued together. Nothing has space, nothing breathes, it's just bad vibes all along. But let's fix that today. So, what is layout? Layout in CSS is basically how things are spaced and positioned. Think of it like this: your website doesn't just need style, it needs space. So, let's start off with padding. So, padding is basically the space inside of an element. So, let's write. And so that you can see it a bit more visually, let's change the background color to blue, for example, and then we write padding 20 px. As you can see, it pushed like all of the things inside of the div a bit more in towards the center, and it gave space around it. So now margin. Well, this is a space outside of the element, and I'm going to show you this is why I added the color so that you can see the difference where it goes. Let's write margin 20 pixels. And now as you can see, it pushed the element basically away from the sides. So that's the difference between margin and padding. And also, you can also write like top or left or right or bottom or anything like that with both margin and padding, and this makes the space like go from specifically that point, but we're going to get a bit more into that in future videos, so stay tuned for that. It's going to get a bit more interesting, and now I'm going to show you. If you write display none, for example, and click save, as you can see, it displays nothing. So this is basically most used like in the future when we're going to go a bit more into responsive CSS. And you can also write display block if you want to display it again. And then you can also use, for example, display inline. And as you can see, you can't really tell a difference, but if we go to the inspector, and then we click here, you can see that it only has the width of like where the text is compared to the hello world, which goes along the whole website. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and also comment if you have any questions or feedback or so on. And I'll see you in the next video where we'll go a bit more into CSS, and yes, bye.